What's up, folks? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. here. For those of you that want to enroll for $29.95, I want to show you how to enroll. You're going to click on the link that I send you. It's going to take you straight to this page. Fill out this information. Come down here to the $29.95 option. Initial that only. Skip these two parts down here. Come down here, create a username. Now, this is $29.95, one-time fee. $34.95 a month. As the post said, we're going to help you put an extra $200 to $800 a month back into your paycheck. All right, so again, $34.95 a month for the membership. You can cancel at any given time that you choose to, but why would you want to do that when you're getting back $200 to $800 a month? The $34.95 a month is what's allowing you to be able to do that because you have a online business. Okay, so, but if you choose not to go that route, not to pay the $29.95 and go ahead and get the system, I'm gonna go into the system. I'm gonna show you a little bit about what's back there, and show you exactly, how to get started on repairing your credit right away, right now. So if you don't want to do that, you don't want to do the $29.95. Let me go and get logged in real quick and show you. This is the app. This is what the app looks like. Okay, boom. This is the income shifting membership that you get for $34.95. Okay, so you click on the my credit system. All right, you're gonna come right here. You're gonna watch the introduction. Then you're gonna come right here to the 750 credit plan. Okay, then you're gonna be in here to your first lesson. All right. As you can see here, you can just scroll down. You can see the course lessons, Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, Module 5, Module 6, Module 7, and just simply apply it step by step. All of the PDFs are here, all of the documentations. Let me just open up one and just show you what I'm talking about. You can watch this module, okay, and if you scroll down, you can see different things down there in the body. And there are, some of them have PDF files that you may possibly need. Let me go up to maybe one of these and see. Yep, here we are right here. So if you need a sample of a credit report, this PDF file. We have different things like how to remove medical stuff off your medical report. We have documentations. We have pretty much documentation, PDFs for everything. So this is what it looks like. Okay, you come back here, go through the modules, apply the information. That is my credit repair system. That's what it looks like. Okay, and that's how you access it. Now, another thing I want to share with you real quick is this. For an example, let's say that you don't want to pay the $34.95 a month for whatever reason. Again, that's tax deductible. Again, that's putting an extra $200 to $800 a month back into your paycheck because we're going to teach you a strategy on the W-4 training. Okay, but let's say you don't want to do that. You just saw credit repair. That's all you want to do. You don't want to make no money. You don't want to shift no income. You don't want to bring in an extra $500 a month back into your paycheck. You just want to get credit repair. No problem. Come straight to products. Scroll down. That one is going to be a one-time fee only, no monthly. Come here, and you can get it for a one-time fee of $119.95. No monthly fee. Just wanted to let you know that you had that option. It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. signing out.